Well, we went out for a dinner and everybody ordered Phirni as a dessert, and everybody had, and me just looking at them. So when I returned back, I went straight ahead to my kitchen to make what? Keto Phirni, because I wanted to have that Keto Phirni. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. So when I went to the kitchen, I thought, why not make an instant Phirni? So what I did, I made the Phirni within 5 minutes, but I had to chill it. So I chilled it in a bed of ice. But you don't have to worry, you make it in the morning and chill it till at least for 5 to 6 hours and then enjoy it. So let's begin with the Keto Phirni. So in order to prepare the Phirni, I am going to heat a non-stick kadai or pan and drop the fresh cream into it. It's a single cream, and just drop that cream, and once when it starts boiling, then I am going to add the other ingredients. So here, after stirring a bit, it starts boiling, and as it starts boiling, I am going to add the peanut flour. Yes, I am making the Phirni with the peanut flour. I am using the peanut flour, that is simply I just pulse the peanuts, raw peanuts, and I am using that. If you don't want to use peanut flour, you can use the almond flour even. You can add melon seed flour even. Whatever flour you can get hold of, that is your gluten-free, keto-friendly flour, you can add that. Some cardamom powder goes into it. And I am going to drop the sugar-free stevia. I am using stevia. You can use whatever sugar-free you like, but it should be healthy. And just stir it, and it will start thickening because the peanut flour will give its thickness to the cream. And here I am dropping the saffron milk, that is your normal saffron which I have just steeped in almond milk. If you don't have almond milk, steep it in warm water and stir it. See, lovely light saffron color. That is the beauty of this dish. It's a very simple, and this dish can be prepared within 5 minutes. And my Phirni is done. But this is the earthen pot which I am using. This is actual earthen pot. So before using, you have to soak it, you have to rub it properly. Rub it means you have to wash it properly and soak it for at least 30 minutes so that if there is any odor or any smell, that goes away. And then you can use this. That is your earthen pot. But if you don't have the earthen pot, you can use any other pot, because earthen pot gives a lovely taste to the Phirni, and basically Phirnis are served in the earthen pot. They are chilled in the earthen pot. So now these are my earthen pots, and this is my Phirni. So as it starts attaining the room temperature, it will start thickening. So drop it inside the vessel you want to serve, or you can keep it in a big vessel even. And here I am dropping some slivers of pistachios. These are my soaked slivers of pistachios. And I am going to sprinkle some rose petal to add some color to this Phirni. If you don't have the rose petal, no need to add. You can add almond slivers even, or you don't have to add any slivers. This I am adding for the video beautification. Just cover it up with the cling foil so that it sets well. I am refrigerating it for at least 8 hours to get the perfect chillness to my Keto Phirni. See, after 8 hours it has perfectly set. even if I rotate it won't fall down because it is quite thick and the earthen pot has absorbed quite a lot of moisture, and also it has imparted its taste to this Phirni. So now let's taste it. So now my Phirni is done. Can you see it's chilled? Quite chilly. I can feel that because it's so hot over here, and I'm loving the touch of it, the feel of it. It is quite chilled, you know. So I'm going to taste. Can you see it does not fall? Can you see? Because the earthen pot has absorbed the water if there is any, and also it has thickened. So now I'm going to take a bite of it. See how thick it is. Can you see? Now this goes inside my mouth. Lovely. The flavor is simply awesome. Yes, there is a bit flavor of the peanuts, but I am loving that peanutty flavor. If you don't like the peanut flavor, you can make it with the almond flour. But I am enjoying this with the peanut flour. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make this Keto Phirni with the peanut flour. 5 minutes Keto Phirni. But don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. And also viewers, please do write what you want to, leaving the jalebi aside or the pani puri aside, because I had tried many a times and I failed. Sometimes my puri, they become flat or they are not crispy, or the jalebi, it gets, mashed up in the oil. So leaving those two recipes, you can ask me and I would love to go and try and share it with you all. Thank you.